What connects dreams to reality? What bridges innovation with purpose? At Motovolt, it's more than electric mobility. It's a movement, a journey towards a sustainable tomorrow.
We design products for the future, but we are driven for the needs of today. We are creating a greener and cleaner world for everyone around. We design solutions in collaboration with our partners EDAG, Swabi and West. We manufacture products in India at Motovolt for the global market. Today Motovolt has more than 25,000 electric two-wheeler products on the roads.
Since 2019, Motovolt has been redefining the way we move. Founded with a vision to revolutionize electric mobility, Motovolt is not just about electric vehicles, it's about changing lives. By integrating Shobi for seamless battery swapping and pioneering e-bike solutions like Clip, we are setting new benchmarks in smart mobility. From R&D to real-world testing, we integrate global technology with India's production strength, offering solutions for real-world challenges. From e-bicycles and scooters, our products empower individuals, blending efficiency, affordability, technology and sustainability. With every ride, we journey closer to a cleaner and greener future. We are Motovolt, redefining electric mobility, one innovation at a time.